Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? Guys, again this question is a very simple and very straightforward one. So let us see how we can work out this and how we can solve this question very easily. Now guys, let us see what we can do here. Here as per the given question, let us first of all note down what is being given here. It is being given like the number of male fishes. So male fish is equal to 5. Number of male fish is equal to 5. Number of just I'm noting it down whatever is being given in the question. Number of male fish. I'm going to first of all write down the question is equal to 5. Similarly, number of female fish. Number of female fish is equal to 8. This is being given in the question. Now guys, see if the question asks us about male fish, then this is going to be our number of favorable outcomes for female fish. Number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes for female fish. Similarly, if the question asks something about female fish, the number of favorable outcomes for male fish is going to be 5 and number of favorable outcomes for female fish is this one 8. Number of favorable outcomes. Now we need to also add altogether the total number of fish. So that means if I add, I am getting 13. So this is the total number of outcomes. This is the total number of outcomes. What is this? This is the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Guys, whatever is being given in the question, just I have noted it down here. And this is the total number of fish. Total number of fish. This is what being given in the question. Now, let us look into the question once again. The question says that what is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So guys, we very well know that. What we know? We very well know that the probability of an event is given by PE is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. This is what being given by probability of an event. So guys, here the probability of the event is like the question asked us to find out what is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish. So the probability of event here applies to the male fish. That means when the shopkeeper picks up the fish, what is the probability that that particular fish is going to be a male fish? So now here we know that the probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Or I can write what I can write. So in case of male fish, we are focusing here for male fish. I can write probability of an event here is equal to number of favorable outcomes. It is 5 for male fish upon total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 13. So guys, this is the probability. This is the probability that a male fish will be picked up, that the male fish will be taken out or picked up by the shopkeeper. What is the probability that we are going to get? The probability of the event is 5 upon 13. Hope guys you understood this. At the end of this, just we need to write down our conclusion or concluding sentence or concluding answer. So what we can write? The probability that the fish taken out, is a male fish is 5 upon 13. Hope guys you understood how I worked out. This is as simple as this. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.